Fara here.
Me, Aiesya here.
Anyways, so for today's video we have another skit for you guys, and like since our last videos have been like, you know, unboxings and stuff.
And sorry we haven't been posting for a long time. We've been in Malaysia. We've been through a lot. We try to post on social media more to keep you guys know that we're still alive. She's dead though.
Huh? Anyways, yeah, for the past 2 weeks we've just been traveling. Yeah. Look at this stuff. It's really gross. Okay, whatever. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, oh my gosh, guys. This crazy thing is going on to the internet and I am dying to start and try it. So there's this thing about crazy, what? So you're trying to adopt a squishy, and that's been going crazy around the internet. And as fate has happened, they opened a new adopt a squishy store here. Ah! So I'm gonna be getting a squishy. I heard you don't have to pay because it's adopting. So I'm broke, and yeah. So let's go get one. This is where the directions took me. Yeah, girl. Oh, okay, she's looking herself. Wait. Wait. Guys, it's the adoption center. Oh my god! It's oh, it's this way. Squishy Adoption Center. Counter that way. Let's go. Why do we have to open this door? Why this type of door? Oh my gosh, I think this is legit. Look at the counter over there. I'm so excited. Hi, are these all the squishies that are for adoption? Why are they in?
Yeah, those are the only squishies we have in stock right now. So, yeah.
Can I open it?
Just wait, stop it, stop, put it down. Get your hands away. Hands away.
I did. Why are there balls? Why are there bread? I didn't really know. And why is there tooth in here? That's gross. This is cute. Oh. A finished coffee. None of these squishies look that good. I mean, they're cute, but some of them I think they're in pain. Really big pain. What is that? That looks like the perfect squishy. Oh, but that girl has it. Oh, I need that squishy. I want it. I've got an idea. I got it. I need to make a run for it quick. Wait, your arm! Hi, ma'am. I would like to buy the squishy right here.
Do you have a pen? So I need you to sign here, and here, and here, and here. And hurry up and sign every single piece of that paper. Hurry up, chop, you're not doing it fast enough. Why are you laughing? This is a serious matter. You're adopting a squishy here. This is a life on the line. You know what? Whatever, that's enough. Here's your squishy.
Thank you. So I just got the squishy and I don't know what to do anymore. Do I treat it as a companion? Is it a pet now? I don't know what to do. On videos, they just put it around in a container. That's it. Squish it. And I don't think I should do that. I mean, look at the eyes. It looks like a devil. I'm gonna treat it as I choose. it's hungry because that girl didn't look like she fed it. So I'm gonna feed it some stuff. And stuff and stuff and... Aha! I think this is not... They're not technically baby food, but you can still use them. Open up! Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, I'm back! Yep, it definitely likes a snack. I've never really seen a squishy pee, so we're gonna find out if it does. All you gotta do is like, you know, it out. I guess the squishy's a bit lonely, so I'm gonna introduce it to Oreo the cat. Meet. This is Giraffe. Giraffe meet Oreo. Oreo meet Giraffe. They're dating.
I've never seen something so weird in my life.
I think squishies need to be fashionable too, unlike moi. So I got some outfits! Yay! So what do you want to start first? I think we should start off on making it sushi.
It's totally working.
Okay. Maybe they're a size too big. You know what? Let's try the hot dog. This one's good. Hey! It worked! Whoop, whoop, whoop. See?
This is weirder.
Okay. So I'm going to read you a book and I want you to listen and I want you to say it to me. Okay? Memorize the whole thing. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to read the entire email, but I'm very rudely interrupted by guess who? Mackenzie. Hello? I don't think it's pretty much interacting with me by reading, so I think I'm gonna give you a jog so you can get those muscles going. Forgot the squishy. Okay, so my butler is putting the leash on my giraffe.
I'm not your butler.
Then who are you?
I'm your sister.
Never mind. Let's not talk about that. Boop, 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 doo, 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 doo. Bow! Bow! Okay, she's got it. Time for the test drive. I've got it. Good. Let's start. It's working. Wait. Where did it go? Seriously? This squishy can't do anything. Well, I think that's the end of me trying trends. Maybe I'm not doing it right. But like, clean that all up!
Okay.
Oh my gosh! I just found what to do with the squishy. Apparently, I was just supposed to squish it and use it as a normal squishy. Adopting a squishy is technically just buying it, but technically for free. So, I just did this for nothing, I guess. I'll use that as my real one. Adios. I hate you as an owner. I'm happy that she took me.
So thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. And we spent some time making this video. Yeah, I like it. I don't know. I hope it'll turn out good. So.
And if you guys want a new series of squishies like Squishy School, comment down below.
Yeah, I have an idea. Like we could do like Squishy Boot Camp or Squishy Scouts, you know? I don't know. I just have those ideas in my mind. It just suddenly came to me. But yeah, we will see you guys in our next video. Bye!